Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to delete folders using command prompt. I have 3 folders on my desktop called Junk1, Junk2 and Junk3. Junk1 is an empty folder. Junk2 contains 2 subfolders but no files. Junk3 contains multiple files and folders inside it. Let's learn how to delete these folders using command prompt. In the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click on the command prompt from the results. The command prompt window will open on your desktop. To delete folders on the desktop, first we need to move into the desktop directory. So type cd desktop. Now you are inside the desktop folder. To delete an empty folder, type rd junk1. This will delete the empty folder named junk1. Now let's try deleting junk2 using the same command rd junk2. You will get a warning like the directory is not empty. To delete a folder that contains subfolders or file, type rd/s junk2. You will be prompted with a Y or N option. Type Y for yes to delete, type N for no to keep the folder. If you don't want any confirmation prompt, use the /q option. For example, to delete junk3 along with all its files and subfolders, type rd/s/q junk3. This will delete junk3 folder completely without asking for confirmation. This is how you can delete folders using command prompt. Thank you for watching.